On that side would be the North Sea. We call it Hoddevik Bay. It's a good place for surfing, for swimming, and other beach activities for the family. So that's a plus thing about this place. Nature is rough, almost untouched, but the problem is the parking. For people who don't live here, they'd have to drive from their homes and expect that there's a parking place near the sea. That's not the case. There's a limited parking space. That's the issue now. And they don't get warning if the parking place there is full or not. Some people take chances. They just park wherever they find a place, which is not good for the environment here. So I think this municipality here can take this problem into account when they plan for further developments, or they should really be able to control the people who park there. And you can do that by using an automated parking assistant or app or system like the one we saw in Preikestolen. The municipality should be able to charge for parking space because using the sea and the seashore, it also is not free. The municipality has to take care of garbage collection, for example. The organization of the landowners here, in which my husband is one of the active members, they have this, I don't know if they're cleaning the sand on a volunteer basis, but it costs also to maintain this natural pearl. Before we thought this would be like a peaceful place. Now it's not like that anymore. It's still peaceful, but when it comes to car traffic, oh, you would not expect that. There's so much car traffic that I could not rest on this porch, for example. I don't complain about that. The sea and the beach are considered as property for everyone to enjoy here in Norway. But of course, there should be rules. Otherwise, the paradise that we have here now will be destroyed in the future. We have to take care of our natural resources, especially the sea and the beach. It's important to do this. And it's not a bad idea that the municipality could earn something, not profit from it, of course, but just break even. Cost equals expenditures equals earnings. Yeah, the parking fees there or the parking system should be improved. There should be a system that warns people before they, or online, not even before they drive to a certain place, that Hoddevik parking place is full because people cannot park just where they want to park. They will destroy the grass, nature, and it's not good. Yeah, it's also important that people get to enjoy nature, but they have to be responsible too. Don't you think so? We all have a responsibility to take care of the nature that we use, because whatever we give to nature, nature gives back to us. If we destroy the nature now, then what about the future generation? This has not happened before. I think it's part of information dissemination, that people get to know that it's peaceful here and the sea is relatively calm here, even though it's also a good place for surfers. Yeah, all these things. We think too much? No. We're just thinking responsibly. So that's a food for thought now. You can hit that subscribe button if you're a nature lover. Bye for now, and have a fine summer day.